Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Stripe into 2025 step by step. Even if you are a complete beginner, whether you want to accept payments for a service product or just a one-time invoice, Stripe makes it super simple. Let's get started. Stripe is a powerful online payment platform that lets you accept debit cards, credit cards, and even Apple Pay or Google Pay all online. It's trusted by small businesses, freelancers, and even big tech companies. No coding skills, no worries. To create your account, go to stripe.com and click start now, and here's what you will need to do. Enter your full name, email address, and create a password. Choose your country name and business type like individual or sole proprietor. If you are a freelancer, enter enter your business information and bank details for payouts. Finally, verify your identity by uploading government ID. Stripe might take a day or two to approve your account. Once approved, you are ready to go. Let's create a simple payment link that you can send to anyone. From dashboard, in the left side bar, click on payments, then click payment links, then click new, add a new product, add product name, description, image, and choose price. Customize the payment page if you want, then click create then create add product, then click from here, click link, create link, and boom, you have got a shareable link. You can send this via email, text, or social media. The customer just clicks the link, enters their card, and the payment comes straight to your Stripe account. To track your money, go to Payments tab, and here you will see every transaction. Go to Settings, then Payments, then Payment Payouts to see when your money is being sent to your bank. You can even set the payout schedule from payout sections. From payout sections, you can even set the payout schedule daily, weekly, or monthly. Stripe also offers detailed reports and receipts you can download or email to customers. Super helpful for tracking your business income. And that's it. You just learned how to use Stripe in 2025 as a beginner. It's easy, secure, and works whether you are selling online or offering services. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them below, and I have got you covered. And I have got your back. And that's it. Thanks for watching.